Are you looking for the best travel cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best travel cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Olympus OMD-EM5 Mark III. The Olympus OMD-EM5 Mark III stands out as the best travel camera, combining versatility and innovation to cater to photography and videography enthusiasts. With its exceptional still image quality and the ability to capture cinematic 4K video at 30 frames per second, this camera ensures your travel memories will be beautifully captured. Size and portability. Crafted with wanderers in mind, the Olympus OMD-EM5 Mark III features a compact Micro Four Thirds system that guarantees adaptability. Its dimensions of 125.3 by 85.2 by 49.7 mm and lightweight build at 414 g make it an effortless addition to your travel gear, letting you capture breathtaking shots without being burdened by weight. Versatility and performance. This Olympus model excels in photography and videography with its 20.4 MP stills and 4K video at 30 frames per second. Its user-friendly design suits pros and novices, supported by an intuitive interface for simple navigation. Connectivity. This Olympus model has seamless connectivity options. You can use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB connections for swift image transfers and even remote shooting capabilities. Pros. Compact and lightweight. Weather-sealed body. Versatile lens selection. Fast autofocus. Tilting touchscreen LCD. Cons. Battery life is not the best. Number 2. Sony A7C. Sony A7C is another great camera for travel. Its portable size, delivers excellent image quality, has a Sony E-mount lens system, and caters to beginner travel photographers. Size and portability. The Sony A7C is the ultimate travel companion with its compact frame measuring 124.0 by 71.1 by 59.7 mm and a weight of 509 g, ensuring breathtaking shots without the bulk. Versatility and performance. Armed with a full-frame 24.2 MP sensor and advanced Bions X processor, the Sony A7C excels in capturing intricate details, even in challenging, low lighting. It also has a weather-sealed body, so you can use it even in extreme weather conditions. However, it doesn't have weatherproof ports. Connectivity. With this Sony model, you can use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB connections, while remote shooting capabilities broaden your creative horizons. Pros. Compact for traveling. 4K video. Weather-sealed body. Compatible with variety of lenses. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Number 3. Fujifilm X100V. Fujifilm X100V is an artistic travel camera crafted to inspire adventure enthusiasts. It's a compact model with a single fixed 23mm f/2 lens and has a design of analog cameras. Size and portability. The Fujifilm X100V sparks elegance but, at the same time, is very compact and great for traveling. A compact silhouette measuring 128 by 75 by 53 mm and a Featherlight 478G frame ensure the camera is a joy to carry, promising breathtaking images. Versatility and performance. This camera renders 26.1 MP stills with exquisite detail. 26.1 MP sensor and X processor for help to improve autofocus and image quality. It also has a hybrid viewfinder, optical and electronic, and a dust and splash-proof body, which increases its durability. A downside is that there's no zoom. Connectivity. With this Fujifilm model, you can transmit your images through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, inviting others into your visual journey. The USB-C port streamlines charging and data transfer, too. Pros. Hybrid viewfinder. Leica-inspired lens. Dust and splash proof. Fast autofocus. In-camera film simulations. Cons. Fixed lens only. Premium pricing. Number 4. Nikon ZFC. Nikon ZFC is a good camera pick for travelers. It's an SLR-style combination of vintage aesthetics and modern capabilities, an ideal pick for intermediate users seeking visual stories. Size and portability. The Nikon ZFC's dimensions of 134.5 by 93.5 by 44.9 mm and weight of 445 g define its travel-friendly nature, allowing traveling photographers to capture moments without burden. Versatility and performance. This camera seamlessly combines its retro design with a 20.9 MP APS-C sensor and XP6 processor, delivering quality images across various settings, from landscapes to urban environments. A downside is that the Nikon ZFC doesn't have in-body stabilization nor a weather-sealed body, so it might not be as resistant in extreme weather conditions as, for instance, the Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III. Connectivity. Equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the Nikon ZFC facilitates easy image sharing and remote operation. Stay connected while preserving your travel experiences. Pros. Retro design. Easy image and video sharing. Multiple shooting modes. Versatile lens. Tilting touchscreen LCD. Cons. No in-body image stabilization. Relatively expensive. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11 Black. If you're into vlogging, sports, and action traveling, then GoPro Hero 11 Black is the best compact travel camera for you. It's durable and waterproof, as well as has capabilities for different shooting conditions. Overall, it's an adventurer's essential for on-the-go storytelling. Size and portability. The GoPro Hero 11 Black boasts a super compact size, measuring 62.3 by 44.9 by 28.6 mm, and weighs a mere 153 g, fitting effortlessly into your pocket for spontaneous shots. It's the most compact choice of travel cameras on our list. Versatility and performance. This camera packs a punch with 5.3K video and 20MP photos. It thrives in various environments, from underwater depths to mountain summits, ensuring vivid documentation of your explorations. However, it might not be as versatile as a mirrorless or a DSLR camera, as it's not as customizable and battery life is less durable than other mirrorless cameras. Connectivity. You can share your vlogs or travel shots to other devices via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. The GoPro Hero 11 Black's connectivity enables quick content transfer, allowing your travel stories to unfold with ease. Pros. Durable and waterproof. Night mode. Ultra-wide shots with superview. Advanced video stabilization. Customizable for different shooting conditions. Cons. Battery life needs improvements. No in-body image stabilization. Not as versatile as mirrorless or DSLR.